The hottest female dancehall artist, Miss Shenseea, is she's hitting headlines right now in a major way, and she just alleged that she's 3 months pregnant for Drake.
Yeah, Chadi Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Chadi Marie TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chadi Marie. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
You know it's your boy DJ Chadi and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chadi Marie TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. And people, I must apologize for the long leave of absence. But you don't know it thing go. Sometimes we have to deal with little things internally. But guess what? I am back right now to give you some of them hot topics, hot reviews, and right now I have a very steamy one for you. Now it is alleged that dancehall sensation Shenseea is 3 months pregnant for international pop superstar Drake.
Me have a son, but the egg them not done lately. Me ready for your girl, baby.
Yes, people, that is definitely some surprising news. I mean, Shenseea been a say for a while now that she ready for your girl, baby.
Lately, me ready for your girl, baby.
But me and the whole of dancehall wouldn't think say that baby would come from her manager, Romeich. But I guess it's the other way around. People want to sit tight because me I go telling you where me get that information. Me I go telling you if that information is definitely credible, and then me I go telling you what me think and everything. But first, we have to talk about this song from reggae artist Shaka Smart, and the song is entitled Be Careful, and it is so ironic because Shaka Smart is warning the males to be careful of the females them. Be careful of who you lay down with. Be careful of the Delilah them. No, we not talk about Shenseea. No, we're not saying Shenseea is a Delilah. But you have to just be careful of some of them females, yeah. You get what I say? Anyway, make we play this song, talk about the song, and then we get to the main juicy topic.
Careful of the woman you choose to be your lover.
Oh, you mean?
She could be a Delilah undercover. And be careful of the one you choose to be your bride. She could be a deceiver, wanna take you for a ride.
Oh, you have one, so.
Shaka Smart is an elder, and my granny tell me from a long time say you have to listen to your elders them. So if Shaka Smart can make a song in a few days right now and I tell you say be careful of the girl them you call your wife. Be careful of the old Delilah them. Be careful of the woman you encounter with. You really have to take it in a consideration. I'm not telling a lie. This song definitely have a vibe, and if you don't respect reggae music and respect weird reggae music, dancehall, ska, and all of them something they respect Jamaican music and the culture and where it come from, you're not gonna have great respect for this song. Yeah.
Be careful how you pick your choice. Some of the girls them nowadays no nice. So you would man take my advice.
Be Careful by Shaka Smart is available for listen on Spotify. So people, me I gonna left a link in the comment section where you can go and go check it out. Be Careful is a part of a 6-track EP entitled Shaka Smart, and that EP is definitely available for listen on Spotify. So people, don't forget to check the link in the description, or I should say check the links in the description for all Shaka Smart connections, because I'm gonna link his Facebook page and his Instagram page in the description. Alright people, so go on, go check out Shaka Smart.
So youth man be careful, I know act like no fool. You got some woman on the road, them just can't cool.
Me have a son, but the egg them not done lately. Me ready for your girl, baby.
Baby.
Jaja, So people reach that point there in the review where me definitely I gonna make you see what I go on. I feel like I wait enough right now. Alright? So people, listen this clip and then we are gonna talk about it. And me definitely I gonna let you know where me get this clip from. And me I gonna kinda try dissect it to see if I true or if I lie. Anyway, people, listen this right now.
Moving on to the hottest topic today. So, the hottest female dancehall artist, Miss Shenseea, is she's hitting headlines right now in a major way, and she just alleged that she's 3 months pregnant for Drake, but apparently Drake is denying it, but he did admit to hooking up with her back in January twice in Miami. However, he stated he used a condom and other forms of protection. I don't know what that is. She probably popped a pill. But Shenseea has already hired a Jamaican lawyer to get the paternity or child support ball rolling. All of this is alleged information, but she also shared the text conversation between them. So, Pressure, listen to the text. They saying this how this conversation gone between Shenseea, who's Jamaican, and of course Drake, who's Canadian. But Drake said, "I want you to have an abortion." Shenseea, "I can't kill my baby simply to indulge you. Sorry." Drake, "Indulge me, forget you." Shenseea, "What?" Drake, "You do know what you're doing. You think you're going to get Kim Kardashian or Cardi B type fame out of this." Shenseea stated, "Forget you, you Jamaican wannabe. I already have fame. Don't let me send my millions of Shenyangs for you." So now Drake's representative stated the rep says he has no idea whether the purported text messages is even real or out of context because they haven't seen the actual text. But if it is in fact Drake's child, which he does not believe, he would do the right thing by the child. And they also stated that Shenseea visited Vybz Kartel many times and even sometime back in January in jail. So he might be the father of Shensea's baby.
Wow.
This is going deep. This is hitting deep. That's all I have to say.
So people, only hear what I'm going right there. So Shenseea is in her 3rd month of pregnancy for Drake. Jaja. People, wanna think these allegations are true? First of all, let me tell you where I got this clip from. Now, this is from a radio station in Bahamas called ZNJ-FM, more popularly known as 100 Jams. And they are broadcasting from Freeport in Bahamas. Well, I said that already, alright? And this radio station is said to be one of the top radio stations over there in Bahamas. All my Bahamas subscribers, wanna tell me in the comment section if this radio station is indeed one of the top radio station in Bahamas. Well, I kinda do my research and find out that answer ready for you still. So being a top radio broadcaster, I would think they have somewhat of a credibility. So people, question: do you think Shenseea is 3 months pregnant for Drake? Let me know in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic. Big up to the people them where hold it out and know said Chaddy did so forward back with the hot news them, hot reviews them, hot topics them. You see me? I promise next time my nasty along. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way. Any other way or the wrong way. I'm gone.